Hi friends, this is your ANR sir. Today I have come up with a new lesson for General English all for competitive examinations. Today I have come up with a new lesson for General English all for competitive examinations. It is jumbled sentences. It is jumbled sentences. In your 10th class examination and in your job examinations, definitely a question is being given on this topic. If you continuously follow my lessons, you become expert how to frame a meaningful sentence from the jumbled words and phrases. This is your first sentence. Take place on accidents daily almost Indian roads. Take place on accidents daily almost Indian roads. So if you check the given words and phrases, you find two nouns. One is accidents and other one is Indian roads. One is accidents and other one is Indian roads. Always you remember one thing. Most of the sentences start with nouns. Most of the sentences start with a noun, followed by verb, followed by adjectives, and next object. So here let us take accidents as subject. Accidents take place almost daily on Indian roads. Accidents take place almost daily on Indian roads. This is the right answer. Okay. This is your second sentence. Indian roads, 16 daily children on die. Indian roads, 16 daily children on die. So, like your previous sentence, let us try to identify the nouns. Here you have two nouns. One is children, other one is Indian roads. And die is your verb. Die is your verb. Clear? So, if we take children in the beginning, we should take 16 also. 16 children. 16 children. Next verb, die. Frequency, daily. Where? On Indian roads. Understood? So, the correct sentence would be 16 children die. What is the frequency? Daily. Where? On Indian roads. This is your next sentence. Off traffic rules is the chief cause violation accidents of traffic rules is the chief cause violation accidents of. So in this sentence also, if we check carefully, violation is the noun. What is the noun? Violation. And the phrase along with your verb is the chief cause. Clear? So, violation of what? Violation of traffic rules. Violation of traffic rules is the chief cause of accidents. So the right answer will be violation of traffic rules is the chief cause of accidents. Here is your next set of words or phrases. Lack of, the saddest thing, public concern is for the road victims. Lack of, the saddest thing, public concern is for the road victims. So here also, public concern is the noun. Public concern is the noun. So you should add lack of public concern. Noun phrase. You have to make a noun phrase. Adding lack of. Lack of public concern is verb you have to take is. Next adjective phrase. What? The saddest thing for the road victims. What is the right answer? Lack of public concern is the saddest thing for the road victims.